Well, the aftermath wasn't too bad. Cracked the shell, broke a little piece off here. The Gorilla Tape helped a little bit, not a lot. Broke the wheelie bar off right at the bolt, and brand new RPM wing mount, and severely bent. It's not broken, which I guess is a good thing. I did contact RPM and they said to boil it for a second. I can manipulate it straight again and then run it under cold water. Should work. So we'll give it a try, see if it works. The wing definitely took some damage. It's cracked. I see a lot of people run these without it, but it takes a lot of impact, so I don't know if that would be just transferred to the towers or if it would help or hurt it. So might look at getting a new one. They're out of stock right now, of course. I did see one associated that looks very similar. That might work, so might give that a try. But as always, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll keep making these, and I'm having a lot of fun doing it. Learning a lot with these jumps and trying to get the brake down. Truck is holding up really well. So here's one of the cool pictures I snapped today out of the video, and did some editing, but thought it was cool. Thanks again, guys. Have a good one.